welcome to my house, welcome to my channel. I'm very excited to have all of you here. As I announced in my social media, I will make a video of 3 parts. This will be a beach set. The first part will be this amazing skirt. I love it. I love how it looks. You can make it in so many different colors, and this will be the first part. And the next week I will show you how you can make this bikini very easy, and then the other week I'm going to show you how you can make the top. But for the moment we are going to start making this skirt. I wanted to start with a simple thing and with the easiest part of this set. All of the parts of this set are easy, but I think that this is the most fast piece. So let's start. First I will give you the material list, and then I will give you the step by step. Remember that this is just an idea, and you can make this skirt longer, or you can make it in different colors. Maybe you can mix and combine in textures and colors, making this beautiful skirt. I will make this skirt for summer, but if you want, you can make it for winter or for something else with a different material. But let's don't lose more time and let's start. Okay, for this skirt I'm going to use 200 grams of Bahar. This material is beautiful, it's made of cotton, and a crochet hook of number 4 millimeters. Remember that if you want to use all the materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store. Remember that if you want to buy and use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es. If you haven't watched the first part of this set, you should watch it, because we are going to make the same. So I repeat exactly the same number of stitches, the same number of chains, and the same stitch. And the only thing is that I use a different size of a crochet hook, and I didn't close it. In the other video I closed it because it was the panty, but in this case this will be the skirt, so I will leave it open. I won't crochet in circle. I made 120 chains as I made in the bikini, and I made exactly the same number of stitches. I told you the only thing that I changed, it was the hook. Okay, so afterwards we are going to learn how to make the rest of the skirt. So let's continue. With one thread we are going to make 10 chains. 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are going to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here insert your hook, and we are going to make a picot. 3 chains, and in the same stitch insert your hook. Here in this, grab your yarn and bring them through. Here we have our picot, and again we are going to make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here insert your hook and single crochet. And again we are going to make the picot. 3 chains, insert your hook here, grab your yarn and bring them through. And like this, the whole row, we are going to repeat this series. At the end of the row, turn around your project, and then we are going to go up with 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Insert your hook in the middle of the first wave here, and afterwards we are going to make the picot. Look, so far it has to look like this. To make the picot, 3 chains, then we are going to come back and we are going to insert our hook here. Pay attention, because we are going to insert our hook between these 2 threads, this one and this one, and now bring them through. And I think it will look better, so I like to insert my hook here. Again, we are going to make 10 chains, and we are going to repeat the series. we are going to insert our hook in the half of the other wave here. Very careful. Single crochet and again the picot. And well, when we finish our row here, we are going to insert our hook here and then here, and here we will finish. Then we are going to repeat this series and we are going to make as many rows as we need until we obtain the length of the skirt that we want. Okay, so we are going to repeat these rows until we have the length that we want. Well, here I finished. I almost finished the whole skein of yarn. I just leave a little bit to the final touches. And now I'm going to count the rows to tell you exactly how many rows I've made. And this is how it looks. Well, I suggest that you should hang this in a hook, because if not, if you fold it, it will create a lot of pleats and we don't want that. We want to stretch a little bit the stitch. And with the yarn that we have left, here we are going to make a single crochet row, and here we are going to create like a ribbon to adjust the skirt. And well, here I'm going to make a knot to give a final touch to this part that is in our waist. So I'm going to make a single crochet row, and with this we'll be finished. Okay, then I will show you how we are going to make the ribbon. Remember that at the end we are going to hide all of these threads, and we are going to make a single crochet row until here, and from here we are going to make the strip. Well, here we finished a single crochet row. Now turn around your project and go up with 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to make 8 double crochets to create the strap. Here we have 2, 3, double crochets of 3 crochets, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm just going to make 6 because also I don't have enough material. I have just left a few yarn. So well, with 6 double crochets I'm going to continue making as many rows as I need to obtain the length of the strip that I want. Please always count that you always have 6. And what we made here, we are going to repeat it in the other side. From here I'm going to start reducing stitches, okay? So I'm going to start like I used to, and then I'm going to skip this stitch, and like this I'm going to skip and reduce 1 stitch every row. I'm going to reduce at the beginning and at the end of the row 1. So here next to the last I'm going to skip it. I'm going to continue with the last, and again I'm going to skip the second one and then the next to the last. We are going to reduce until we have at the end 2 stitches. Here I have 2, then we are going to make chains, and we are going to make the bottom holes like this, and again 1, 2, 3 chains, and we are going to come back, insert our hook, 1 double crochet, and like this until we have the length that we want. And at the end we are going to put a pom-pom, and it will look beautiful. Well, here I finished. I'm going to cut, and if you want you can make one strip more longer than the other. And now we are going to make the pom-pom. I use this piece of paper as a reference to make my pom-poms. I roll 20 times, and now I'm going to take a thread like this. I'm going to have these 2 pieces. I'm going to take all of these threads and tie Here I'm going to make a knot and make it twice, and then I'm going to cut. Well, before I'm going to put in this yarn here, I'm going to roll a little bit, and I'm going to make a knot to make sure that this won't undo, like this. One more time, and now I'm going to cut these threads like this. Well, I'm going to cut all of them like this, and then I'm going to make a knot here in the tip of the strip. I'm going to join it like this, and then I'm going to make a knot. I make another knot, and then with my hook I'm going to hide all of these threads like this. I'm going to insert the hook here. I'm going to take these threads to hide it. I'm going to bring them through, and again this thread too. And what I'm doing here, it's the same that we are going to do in the other side. Okay, we are going to make we are going to use the same stitch to make the other strip, and we are going to make the pom-pom like this, and this will be finished. Okay, well, now let's see how it looks. Well, so what do you think? I hope that you like it. Remember that if you want, well, you can use a different stitch, but I want to make the whole set. I want that this set match with the bikini that we made in the first video. If you haven't watched it, well, you can find the first part of the bikini here in my channel, and you will see how I make the first part of this skirt too, okay? Because in that video I show you how I made it, okay? Well, then also remember that you can use some different colors, different materials, but if you want to use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store. Here there I have a lot of different categories and different materials and different colors that you may like. This material is beautiful. It's made of cotton. It's 100% cotton. I love to work with it. And please don't forget to watch the next video. I'm going to show you how we are going to make the top. Okay? And with this we will complete the whole set, the whole page set. Well, please leave me a comment and give me a like if you like this video, and please take a picture wearing this beautiful set, and I would love you to see you wearing. Well, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and see you next Wednesday. Bye.